Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome back to the Software Engineering Pathway. I'm Sam, and today we are looking at the final, and perhaps most important, piece of the puzzle. We are diving into Knowledge 28, K28, approaches to effective teamwork and the range of software development tools supporting effective teamwork. Up until now, we've focused a lot on your individual skills. But here is the reality: software is a team sport. The concept I want you to adopt today is that a 10x engineer isn't a genius who works alone in a basement. It is someone who sets up the systems that allow the whole team to move faster. Our goal is to understand two things: the human approaches, how we agree to work together, and the technical tools, like Git and Jira, that enforce that agreement. Because in modern engineering, if you can't merge your code with others, you can't ship value. Let's decode the standard. K28 asks for approaches and tools. Approaches are the philosophies or rules. Agile is an approach. It says, talk to each other daily. DevOps is an approach. It says, you build it, you run it. Trunk-based development is an approach. It says, merge small changes often. Tools are the software that makes these rules possible. We use configuration management tools like Terraform to ensure everyone's server looks the same. We use version control like Git to manage our shared history. We use release management tools like Jenkins to ship the product. The key insight is that the tool enforces the approach. If you want a code review culture approach, you use pull requests tool to make it mandatory. The first major area is version control. The problem is simple: if we both edit login.js at the same time, who wins? The approach is your branching strategy. You might use GitFlow. This is strict. You have a main branch, a develop branch, and feature branches. It's safe but slow. Or you might use trunk-based development. Everyone commits to main every day. It's fast but risky, so you use feature flags to hide unfinished work. The tool is Git, but remember, when a merge conflict happens, when Git can't decide whose code is right, that is a teamwork moment. You have to talk to your colleague to resolve it. Next is configuration management. We all know the phrase, it works on my machine. That kills teamwork. The approach is infrastructure as code, IAC. We stop manually clicking buttons to set up servers. We write code that defines the server. This brings us to the concept of idempotency. If I run the setup script 10 times, I get the exact same server 10 times. The tools are Terraform to build the cloud, and Docker to package the app. Docker is the ultimate teamwork tool. If I give you my Docker container, I know it will run exactly the same on your laptop as it does on mine. The environment is shared. Then we have release management. Deploying software used to be a big bang event that everyone feared. The approach is CI/CD continuous integration. CI means we merge our code constantly. Continuous deployment, CD, means a robot takes that code and puts it live. The tools are Jenkins, GitHub Actions, or Azure DevOps. Think of the CI pipeline as the team referee. It doesn't care who you are. If your code breaks the tests, the pipeline turns red. A key teamwork rule is, if the build is red, nobody goes home until it's green. We fix the build together. Finally, collaborative quality. We need to break the silo where devs write code and throw it over the wall to testers. The approach is peer review. The tool is the pull request, PR. A PR isn't just a gate, it's a forum. It's where the team discusses the code. Why did you do it this way? Have you thought about security? We also use tools like LiveShare in VS Code to pair program remotely. This is the best way to learn. K28 isn't just about shipping code, it's about shipping knowledge. When a senior reviews your code, that feedback is a masterclass in engineering. How does K28 apply to you? You operate this engine every day. You use Git to create branches for your features. You write the Docker file so your colleague can run your app without installing 50 dependencies. You check Jenkins when the build fails to see which test broke. You update Jira so the product owner knows progress. And crucially, when you hit a conflict, you don't overwrite your colleague's work. You talk to them. That is effective teamwork. Here is how you can apply K28 tomorrow. Action 1. Git. Look at your repo's history graph. Is it a neat line or a spaghetti mess? Try to draw the branching strategy your team is using. Understanding it prevents mistakes. Action 2. Docker. Can you run your app in a container? If not, try to list every single thing a new starter would need to install to run your code. You are identifying the configuration management gap. Action 3. Review. Go to a pull request. Don't just look for bugs. Look for readability. Ask yourself, will the next person understand this? Make a helpful comment. The goal is to be a good citizen of the codebase. Leave it better than you found it. For your portfolio, use STAR. Show you improved the team's flow. Situation: our team struggled with frequent merge conflicts and broken builds, especially on Fridays. Task: I needed to improve our version control and release process to reduce risk. Action: I adopted a strict feature branch strategy to isolate work. I configured a pre-commit hook, a tool that runs tests locally before Git allows a commit. I also managed the deployment using our Jenkins pipeline to ensure consistency. Result: build stability increased to 99%, and Friday deployments became safe. Reflection: I learned that you can't just ask people to be careful, you have to use tools, like hooks, to enforce the culture of quality. In your major project, K28 is easy to evidence but often forgotten. In your project management or implementation chapter, include screenshots. Show your Git history. Are your commit messages clear? Do you have branches? Show your Trello, Jira board. This proves you managed your work. Show your pipeline. Even if you are working alone on this project, act like a team. Use branches. Use pull requests. Merge your own PRs. This proves to the assessor that you know the mechanics of teamwork, even when solo. Let's wrap up. We've learned that K28 is about engineering the high-velocity team. We explored the approaches, Agile, DevOps, and the tools, Git, Docker, Jenkins, that make them work. Your next step is simple. Check your Git config. Ensure your username and email are correct. It's the first step of professional identity in a team. This concludes our knowledge series for the software engineering pathway. You now have the theory. In our next sessions, we will move to skills, S16, S23, where we will focus purely on the practical application of everything we've learned. Remember, individual talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence win championships. See you in the skills sessions. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you now feel more confident in mastering this topic. If you found value in this session, I have a small favor to ask. Please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and follow our channel. It really means a lot to me and helps the algorithm show these lessons to other apprentices, just like you, who need support. Don't forget, you can download today's slides and the full transcript at www.mentorinai.com EPA Hub. While you are there, check out our mock interview and portfolio review services to make sure you are fully ready for your EPA. See you in the next video. Keep learning.